Hi there guys, today is another episode of Toha's video and you might don't know why are these grasses over here. So look at this, why I have this bird cage. Because there are some pet birds over here. Aren't they cute? I know they're silly. And the blue one name is Tuffles and the white one is Rose, and they're too naughty because they always fight. The blue one is a boy and the yellow one and the white one is a girl. Sorry, I said yellow. Okay, so these grasses are just floating out of here. Bye. Okay, so say hi. They don't know how to say hi. Okay, I will train them how to be a YouTuber, and I will do another video of my birds, okay? And don't worry, it's not the end of the video. So, do you know something? Do you know something? We all always feed them these and those grass. Oh, luckily the grass is over here. Hey, don't touch it. Oops, sorry. Get it. This grass is not getting in. I will just need some help. Yeah. Go. I think Tuffles is hungry and yellow and I said yellow again. Okay, so Rose is hungry too. Hey, stop it. That's a dice. Here, don't eat that. They always eat this rope. Okay, I think you're getting bored, so I'm gonna end this video right here. And goodbye. And this is not the end, but